Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off all political content on Facebook. As you know very well, in this channel we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content our viewers are looking for. If you are not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when we upload the next content. Okay, let's get started. Once you are on your Facebook application, click on your profile picture to the right, then click on the gear icon, then scroll down. Just scroll down, then click on content preferences. Be very sure to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, then here you will see the place for political content and sensitive content. We are focusing on political content. Just tap on it, then make sure this is turned off like this. If you turn it on, you will see political content, but if you turn it off, you will not be able to see political content on your Facebook feed. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.